Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of Pokemon investing, focusing on one particular product that has been making waves recently, the Twilight Masquerade Elite Trainer Box. Released just a few months ago in May, this box has already seen a sharp increase in value, and today we're going to talk about why that is, what makes this set special, and whether it could become the next big thing like Evolving Skies. First off, let's talk about the Twilight Masquerade Elite Trainer Box itself. As we all know, sealed Pokemon products tend to appreciate in value over time, especially when they are part of a popular or well-designed set. Twilight Masquerade is no exception. One of the key reasons for this product's price increase is simply scarcity. As collectors and investors snatch up these boxes, fewer and fewer remain in circulation, driving up demand. If you're sitting on a sealed Twilight Masquerade box right now, it's worth considering whether you want to hold on to it for a bit longer. The value is still climbing, and historically we've seen sealed products skyrocket in price, sometimes years after their release. Now, one of the biggest drivers behind the hype for this set is the potential to pull some really valuable cards from the booster packs. One card in particular that has been causing a stir is the Greninja card. Since the set's release, Greninja has been a hot target for collectors, and its value has only been going up. This card, with its incredible artwork and rarity, is becoming a must-have for serious collectors. If you manage to pull it, you could be holding onto a card that increases significantly in value over time. It's also worth mentioning that the Twilight Masquerade set as a whole has some really desirable pulls. Whether it's full art trainer cards, secret rares, or holo rares, the set is packed with potential hits. When a set is this stacked with sought-after cards, it's no surprise that sealed products from the set become highly valuable. That's because the chase for these cards drives demand for unopened booster packs and boxes. The excitement of what could be inside keeps prices going up, even if people never intend to open the box. In my opinion, this set could be the next Evolving Skies. Now, we all know how Evolving Skies has exploded in value since its release, largely due to its incredible evolution cards and alternative arts. It's important to note that Pokemon fans are always looking for the next big set that will appreciate in a similar way. While it's still early days, Twilight Masquerade has all the right ingredients, limited availability, popular Pokemon, and valuable chase cards, to potentially follow in the footsteps of Evolving Skies. Of course, that's just my opinion, but based on what we've seen with other sets, it's definitely possible. One thing to keep in mind when investing in Pokemon products is that sealed items tend to perform better over the long term. The reason is simple. As time goes by, more boxes get opened and sealed products become increasingly rare. There's a finite supply, and when demand is high, prices can rise dramatically. So if you're looking for a good long-term investment, sealed products like the Twilight Masquerade Elite Trainer Box are often a safer bet than individual cards, which can fluctuate more rapidly in value. However, it's important to always do your research before investing. Pokemon investing, like any form of investing, has its risks. Values can go up and down, and it's not guaranteed that a set like Twilight Masquerade will reach the same heights as Evolving Skies. But based on historical trends, the general market, and the popularity of the Pokemon TCG, sealed products from popular sets usually hold their value well. Another reason sealed Pokemon products have become such a strong investment is the growing interest in the Pokemon trading card game as a whole. In recent years, we've seen a huge surge in demand, not just from longtime collectors, but also from new fans entering the market. This increased demand, coupled with limited supply, often leads to rapid value appreciation for high-quality sets like Twilight Masquerade. To wrap things up, Twilight Masquerade is shaping up to be one of those sets that could be a great long-term hold for investors. With valuable chase cards like Greninja, strong collector demand, and limited availability, it has all the right factors to see substantial value growth in the coming years. While it's still early to say for sure whether it will reach the same heights as Evolving Skies, it's definitely one to watch. And if you're a collector or investor, holding onto a sealed Elite Trainer box from this set might just pay off in the long run. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in more Pokemon investment content, make sure to subscribe for future updates. Let me know in the comments if you think Twilight Masquerade has the potential to be the next big thing or if you're investing in other sets right now. See you next time.